Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to start our first Java program. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what is main method, how our JVM start their execution of your program. Okay. And all the keywords that we are going to use while we are going to write our program. Okay. So as in previous video, I told you how to download your IDE. And so let's create our first Java program. Here you can see a create Java project. From here you can create a project. So give name to your project like I'm going to give program. This is project name. Finish. So if you see here, here our one project is created. So in source you can create a package. Let's create one package here. Package name like com.demo. Okay, I'm going to give the package name. And in that package, I'm going to create one class. So let me create one class here, like hello. This is my class name. Okay. So if you see here, we have created one file, hello.java. This is our file name. And if you see here, our class name is also hello. So remember, when you create your any program in Java program. So whatever your class name, that should be same with your file name. Okay. So this is my public class, which is hello, and their file name is also same. So in our class, we are going to write our main method, that is public static void main string arg. Okay. And in this main method, I'm going to write whatever I want to print. That is system dot out dot print ln. Okay. So in that function, I'm going to write whatever I want to print, like hello Java. Okay. So let me save this file and run. Java application run. So if you see here, we got the output hello Java. We are going to see the meaning of each word that I have written here. Let me take a screenshot of this. Okay. Okay. If you see here, let's understand these all these I have written here. So first thing we are going to see, that is class. Okay. So every Java program must have at least one class. Okay. And a class is a blueprint or a template that contain all the data and the methods. So whatever we are going to create our methods, then all the constructors, all the objects, all these things are going to write into one class. Okay. And the rule of this class, okay, we have written here hello class. In our project, we have written hello is a class. So the class name must start with your letter, first of all. And your class name must match with your file name. Okay. Then after that, here we have written the main method. This is our main method. This is our main method. Okay. So this is the entry point of every Java program. This main method is a entry point. Let me write down. Okay. This is a entry point. Entry. Entry point. Point of every Java program. Okay, this is a entry point of every Java program. So when you run your program, the JVM start execution from your main method. Okay, so in our program, this is our main method. So JVM starts their execution from the main method. So let's understand the meaning of each word that we have written. First of all, here we have written it is a public. Okay, we have written in main method, we have written the word that is a public. Okay, what is mean by public? So first of all, public is a access modifier. Access access modifier. Public, it is a access modifier. So when we write public to our method, that method is a globally accessible. Okay, that method makes globally accessible. Globally accessible. And JVM must be able to access this method from anywhere. That's why that our main method should be public. Okay, that's the reason behind when we write public to our method. So that JVM can must be able to access that method from anywhere. Okay, so that's why we have written our method as a public. The second keyword that we have used, that is a static. Okay, our main method is a static. Why it is static? Let's understand. It is a static. So, due to our method is a static, it is first of all, static is a non-access modifier. Okay, static is a static keyword. It is a non-access modifier. It is a non-access modifier. So JVM can call the main method without creating an object of the class. That's why we make our main method as a static method. Okay. So JVM can call method without creating without creating object of that method. Object of that object of that class. Okay, and that's why we make that method as a static. So what is the benefit that when we make our method as a static? So first of all, it saves memory, and also increases speed. Okay, that is the benefit of making your method as a static. Okay, so internally, when we make our method as a static, so that method gets called using the class name and the method name. Like class name, class name dot, what is our method name? Method name is main. Our method name is main. So the this is how JVM gives call to the main method. Class name and that method name, that is a main. After that, we have written our public static. After that, we have written it is a void. Void means void, it is a return time. Okay, void. First of all, void, it is a one return type. It is return. It means no value return. Okay. So main method does not does not return anything to JVM. That's why our that main method is a void, because the that main method does not return anything to JVM. So after that, we have written string args. What is mean by that string args? Let's understand. String ARGS. And here we have written this. Okay, what is it means? First of all, it is a array of a string arguments. Okay, this is a this is one array. Okay, and this data type of that array, that is a string. Okay, it is a array. It is a array of string arguments. Okay, and this is used to take input from command line. The working of this string args to take input from command argument command line. Okay, that is the use of a string argument. So you can rename args to anything because it is a variable. You can write anything to this. Let me show you. Where is, okay, here you can see, here we have written args. You can write here anything like variable. Okay, you can write anything. You can only write here a as well. Okay, this is okay. Okay, this is a, you can write this because it is a variable name. Okay, after that there is a one more question arises, that can we change the order of a this public and static? Okay, so answer is yes. Okay, you can write, for example, I have written a public and static. Can I write it like this? Static and then public. It is okay. Okay. So you can write static public as well. Why? Because Java allows reordering of a modifiers. These both are modifiers, access modifiers. Public is a access modifier, static is a non-access modifiers. So Java allows reordering of a modifier. So you can write static public like this as well. Okay. This was all about our main method. Public static void main. Okay. It is an entry point of your program. Now, after that, let's understand this term, system.out.println term. So, most people memorize it, okay? But you should understand the meaning of each word. Okay, what is mean by system? What is out? What is println? Okay, so let's understand this sentence. Let me copy it. Okay, okay. So here we have written system.out.println. First of all, the system is a class which is present inside the java.lang. Okay, let me tell you, we know that there are predefined packages in Java, right? So there are two predefined packages, that is java.lang package. Okay, and there is another package, java.io package. These are two predefined packages in a Java. So this system class present in this java.lang package. This system class present in this java.lang package. Here it is system class. Okay. So this is a system class which is present in java.lang package. And after that we have written it is a out. Out is a static variable which is present into system class. Remember. Okay, in system class, there is a out. There is out. It is a static variable. It is a static variable which is present into system class. Okay. After that, this is a java.io package. In java.io package, there is a print stream class. Okay. There is a print stream class. Print stream class. There is a print stream class which is present in java.io package. Okay, this print stream class provides us all the printing features. Okay, let me write down here. So this print stream class provide all the printing printing features, all the printing features. This is the working of this print stream class. So in this print stream class, there is a out. Here we have written out. So this out, it is a object of that print stream class. Okay. So in this print stream class, there is a out which is object of, which is object of this print stream print stream class. Okay. So out is a object of this print stream class. So if out is an object of this print stream class, then tell me what will be the data type of that out object. So the data type of that object will be print stream. Okay. So data type of this out object is print stream. Okay, this is the data type of that out the data type of that out object. Okay, now in that print stream class there is a one method, that is a println method. Okay, we have written here println. Okay, so this println method is present in print stream class. Okay, so this method is used to print output on your console. This println method used to print output output into on a console. Okay, so this is a println method, and here you can see this is ln. This ln is responsible to move cursor to next line. For example, if here we have written ln, if you remove this ln, okay, so then cursor will not go to next line, output will be print on that same line. Okay, so that is the println. Println. So in short, we can say that system is a class, out is a object, and println is a method. So by the help of out object, we are calling this println method. That is the basically concept here. Okay, so I hope you understand what is main method and why we write this system dot out println to print anything. Okay, so now let's stop here. We need to stop here. Okay. Okay, bye bye.